Backroom Miller here with us. Boop. New tips and tricks. Actually, MILS module.
In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a MILS compatible ocean module. The MILS standard has its own ocean module that uses tiles. Okay, much like the river section had trans clear tiles. The actual MILS standard calls for just regular blue tiles. However, in my opinion, I don't think it looks very good. I much prefer this style, which was actually created by a member of the Cactus Brick Club named Corey, and he actually made the base water module, which is one of these here, and he had his own shore style. Well, I didn't have the colors that he had for his shore style, so I went ahead and made my own version here, and I'll be showing you how to make, in this video, an ocean module, and then in another video, how to make the shore modules. The main ingredient for this particular module is the 32 by 32 blue base plate. For most MILS modules, the color of the base plate doesn't matter. However, for this one, it does, because unlike with the other MILS, we actually get to see the base plate in between all of these other plates that are in here. And that allows us to have multiple build levels. That allows us to get that wave look, the peaks and the valleys that you normally would get in ocean or large lake waves. Okay, so you need this 32 by 32 base plate, and then a whole bunch of small blue pieces. So in this case, I usually don't go bigger than a 4 by 6, but you'll have a handful of these small pieces here that you'll need in order to basically create all the peaks and valleys you see in this module. And then we top it off with a few of these clear pieces. So I got some trans blue and then some trans white. These are really helpful to add some texture and some depth and something for your eyes to look at as it looks through the large lake. When you start building these ocean modules, you want to make sure that you leave these corners empty, all 4 corners. And the reason is that when you go to put these MILS next to each other, you need, in order to not get a gap between them, it's important to put a 2 by 2 brick on the corner. So you leave them empty until you're actually ready to assemble them and apply that as a last minute way to keep the plates together. So up to this point, I've been putting on just basic blue plate, but I'm starting to put these trans clear round plates. And you'll see kind of the strategy that I've been doing up to this point is that I wanted to make it just kind of look random, where I try and leave spaces, vary the heights, and then when I got to these trans clear, I don't want to have lines of these trans clear things. Are kind of, hopefully you can see those. And so what I'm doing is I'm offsetting the row as I go down, and I make sure that there's no 2 in the same line that are really close to each other. Okay, and so I'll go ahead and, I see that there's a spot here. Let me put one there, and then I just work my way back and forth along the plate until I have a whole bunch of these randomly placed throughout the module. A finished MILS compatible ocean module for the Cactus Brick building style. One more thing I wanted to mention is that the same idea could be useful if you were trying to make something like a sand dune. It's a similar idea where you have your peaks and your valleys and you just do it in tan, and there you go, you have something that you could use for Tatooine or some sort of Arabian desert kind of idea. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.